Hey! You love yourself? Okay. You sure are. You sure are cute. Well, here you are. You are very cute. What else do you want to say? What else do you want to say, sweet boy? What else do you have to say? Are you cute? Do you want to say cookie cookie? I know you're molting too. It ain't fun, is it? Peekaboo. 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 Boo boo boo. Peekaboo doo doo. I love you. You want that face scratched? You want your face scratched? You're quiet because you're molting, right? You're just not having fun during these molting days. Yeah. You like that? Okay. You tell me when you want more, okay? You tell me when you want more scritchies. I'm just going to keep my hand right here. If you want more, you can nudge my hand, okay? You can nudge my hand if you want more. You want more? No? You've had enough? No? You're so sweet, my baby boo. You want more? You gotta nudge it. Nudge my hand, I'll give you more squishes. Nudge it. It's right here. Okay, there we go. More scritches for you, okay? Because you nudged my hand, I give you more scritchies.